Hello, everyone. Louis Beauchamp, Vice President of Marketing at Final Expense Direct. Today, we're going to talk about the script, the Final Expense script. You can see it all over YouTube. It's everywhere, guys. You know what I'm talking about. There's every guru out there in the world. The reality is that there is no script. There is no $100 million script. There's no $100,000 script. It's you learning to have a decent, friendly conversation with these individuals. They've been talked to by hundreds of agents. They know when you're reading the script. They're so much smarter than you think they are. What we're going to teach you here is how to have a conversation, a meaningful, credible, friendly conversation with people. And it starts with credibility. If you got the opportunity to send a digital business card, do it. That way they can see your face, and there starts what we call the alignment of beliefs. Establish your credibility. Hello, my name is, your license number. The fact that you have the authority to do business in that state is critical. But it's not about coaching and teaching them all about life insurance, whole life term. No, they don't care what you know. They care that you know what they need. So that has to happen through discovery. You got to learn how to ask questions, second, third level questions. What is your main concern? Why did you call me today? Why is that so important to you? How does that make you feel? Who's the person that's going to handle all that for you at the time of death and go down to the funeral home? Do they know that you're talking to somebody today about life insurance? Have you had that conversation with people? You've got to figure out what they're thinking, what's in their heart, what's in their mind, and what's going to stop you from writing an app today. Let them tell you why it's important. Then you go into medical discovery. Learn their issues, learn their prescriptions, learn the questions on the application. Then tell them about the carrier that you picked. Show them the credibility of the individual, all the different benefits, the child riders, and everything else that they've got. 3 quotes, all right? 100, 75, and 50. Don't quote any more than that if they ask. Let them settle on what they can afford and they need. Let them tell you that. And then the last thing is the button up. You got to have a strong button up so they know what to expect when you hang up that telephone and there's no fear. And they feel comfortable and happy with who you are and what they've done and what's fixing to happen next. They've got to understand that. So learn that part. Come here to Final Expense Direct. Let us coach you and teach you and make you solid for you and your family. You owe yourself the opportunity to come find out who we are. Final Expense Direct. Click on the button below. Join our YouTube channel, like it, subscribe, and get in front of our recruiters. And let's go see if we can make 2025 a fantastic year. God bless you out there.